One of Wonky Dog's favourite things is having a great bone to chew on for a while. There you go, he's looking forward to this one. I believe that this is a cow pelvis bone, but I'm happy to be corrected by anyone who has more knowledge about this than I do. It does seem to have a ball and socket joint, which is what makes me think it's to do with the pelvis. And as you can see, it's covered in meat, and there is some fat on there as well, and so much nutrients in the bone itself. So now I'm going to give it to Wonky Dog. As you can see, he is thrilled at the prospect. And you can enjoy watching him manage a bone like this. I find it absolutely fascinating to watch dogs when they have a big bone. It's certainly primal, and you can see how they use their incredible teeth to crunch away and break through bone. Now there are some vets and some experts out there who are very anti-bone because of the damage it can actually do to the dog's teeth. So I always try to buy the right bones, which, depending on who you ask, are pelvis bones because they're non-weight bearing, as opposed to leg bones, which are weight bearing, and neck bones are non-weight bearing, so they are also good. From cows, a brisket bone is also non-weight bearing because I believe that's from some part of the rib or torso. What I think is so fascinating is how they use their feet, as you can see here, to hold down the bone, and then they use their little teethers in the front of their mouths to shred off the pieces of meat and, I suppose, ligament type pieces or other fibrous tissues. It's just fascinating. Also, bones are wonderful for dental hygiene for dogs. I believe there was a study which found that just 2 bones in a week can make a huge difference to dental plaque, the diminishment of dental plaque, I should say. I can certainly vouch for the fact that Wonky Dog, when he has his normal raw diet of chicken wings, chicken feet and occasional bones, his teeth are wonderful. But there have been a couple of times in his life when he has had gut issues, not caused by bones, fortunately, but the result of those gut issues has been that he has had to have soft cooked food. I might do a video all about how I healed his gut another time. But the interesting thing about that, with regards his teeth, is that they very quickly become less clean, I would say, and in fact they would be what my vet would consider to be level 1 of gum disease for dogs. It goes from level 1 through to level 4, and level 1 is a slight reddening along the gum line. It is easy to resolve with regular brushing with coconut oil, but honestly, we should not need to brush our dog's teeth for them to stay clean. In the wild, they stay beautiful and clean without the help of humans interfering with toothbrushes. be stored in the fridge in some grease-proof or baking paper in a plastic bag, and it will keep for 2 to 3 days for as long as it smells like it's still fresh from the butcher. You can see how he's gnawed away at the edges, and you can see why that's so good for his oral health. I'd love to know in the comments if you feed your dog any bones, and which ones are their favourite. As always, thanks for stopping by, and goodbye from me, and goodbye from Wonky. See you on the next video.